All right. Opt out of arbitration. What is that letter? Some of you might be asking. Well, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, Innovis, they all have what is called an arbitration clause. Most banks have them, credit card agreements have them. So what you do is you send this opt out of arbitration letter if you don't want to go to arbitration. Let's talk about some of the reasons why you wouldn't go to arbitration. For example, Equifax and TransUnion, inside of their arbitration clause, they are saying that you cannot go to arbitration for FCRA violations. So if I have FCRA violations, they don't want us to go to arbitration with it because that's what they included in their terms and agreement. It is one-sided. So in that instance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to opt out of arbitration because I'm either taking them straight to small claims court or I'm going to superior district or state or federal court, right? So that's what you do with them. So if it's not beneficial to you, you want to use the opt out of arbitration when the arbitration agreement is not beneficial to you. So make sure you review your terms and condition and you go and read what the requirements are. And then from there, you can invoke or send them the opt out of arbitration letter to get yourself out of their arbitration clause.